So what is happening here is this is my Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. As I had taken earlier, I've just represented them in better manner. Supposedly it is having two elements, it is having three elements. Again, just taking sample examples. Supposedly these are the elements. So I have the front as an array now, which is again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now front represents jitne queues hai, and rear also will be having an array till there are number of queues. Since there are 5 queues, so these are the array of size 5. Size equal to number of queues. ठीक है ना? So since 5 queues are there, the size of the array is 5. Now here, as you can see, the front end over here is 0. Front is 0. This is the front. Front 0. And this is the rear 0. जब तक queue में जगह है. Currently के लिए, the rear is at one location. If you want to insert something, supposedly this is the priority. I have not mentioned the priority. Supposedly this is priority 6, priority 5, priority 4, priority 3 and or maybe say priority 1, priority 2 for simplicity. Ascending order queue है, priority 4 and priority 5 only. So जित A और B की priority 1 ही है, C, D, E की priority 2 है, F और G की priority 3 है, H, I, J की priority 4 है. If they are stored in this manner, then it is decided. Similarly, this becomes the front of the first queue. First queue matlab the one with the priority 2. This is the rear of the next queue. So the front here is at index 5. The rear is at index 7. दूसरा जो queue है running from 5 to 7. The next I am having this as the front of 3 and this as the rear of my next, third queue, which is at location 2 क्योंकि array है तो 0 से start हो रहा है. So here it is beginning with 10, front is at 10 and rear is at 11. Again, if I look at the next queue, Q4, if I want to see what is the front of my queue, so the front is 15. The front will not remain here, please remember. Currently the front is 15. I might do insertion and deletion on the queue. Dhyan rakhna. Right now the front is here and the rear is here, rear 3. So rear 3 is 17. Similarly, front and rear both are here for the final queue, which happened to be at location 20. Now supposedly I want to insert an element L with a priority 3. Where would the insertion happen? Now I want to insert an element L with a priority 3. एक element L I am calling insert L with a priority 3. Priority 3 is here, Q3. That means insertion यहाँ होनी है. I will check whether this queue is empty or not. So I have to check rear should be less than, rear जो है, whatever the rear is filled with, that should be less than the 5. Availability होनी चाहिए. I check the rear for 3. 3 is stored at this location. Now rear here should be less than whatever this 3 is. How will you calculate this? So 3 into the max minus 1. It should be less than 14. अगर rear 14 से कम है तो there is space. Since yes, there is space, I will do the insertion at the end. So L gets inserted here and the rear will move to 12. Now supposedly I call a delete. Now here the delete जो है वो हमेशा highest priority का ही होगा, A delete होगा. Currently if I call delete, the element with the highest priority would be deleted and A gets deleted. So the front of the first queue moves to 1. Front moves to 1. Now I want to insert something. Supposedly I want to insert an element M with priority 1. That means insertion has to be done in Q1. There is space. That means M is inserted here and the rear should move. So the rear should move to 2. And so on and so forth. Is the implementation clear to all of you? How can we implement a priority queue using multiple queues? Now these are useful when we know there are only 3-4 priorities and the elements are going to have repeated priorities. Like आप कुछ hierarchy में कर रहे हैं and you know that they will be having repeated priorities. In that case, you can use multiple queues. And all the priorities would be having almost same elements. अगर किसी priority में 1 है और किसी में 20 है, then this is not a very efficient method of implementing priority queues. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, class. प्रायोरिटी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको ये सारे एलिमेंट स्किप करके अगर यहाँ इंसर्शन करनी है तो आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे आओगे. सो इंसर्शन बिकम्स वेरी बेटर एज कंपेयर टू लिंक लिस्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, जहां पे हमें सब कुछ ट्रैवर्स करना पड़ रहा था. ट्रैवर्सल की जगह अब हम सीधा यहाँ पे गए Q3 पे, Q3 का रेयर चेक करा और इंसर्शन कर दी. सो इंसर्शन इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग इन अ लॉट बेटर टाइम, ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्स्टेंट टाइम. डिलीशन तो हो ही रही है कांस्टेंट टाइम में, इंसर्शन भी बेटर हो गई. बट ड्यू टू साइज कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, जो कि बहुत बढ़ गई इस केस में, सबका साइज सेम इज कंपल्सरी और अदरवाइज हाउ विल यू इंप्लीमेंट यूजिंग मल्टीपल क्यूज? This has fixed size of every queue. So the size complexity increases. Time complexity has reduced for insertion. It has gone constant. ON से O1 हो गई insertion की complexity, but the size complexity increases tremendously in this implementation. आप ऐसे implementation करो या इसको 2D array की form में लिख दो, it is one and the very same thing. आप 2D array में लिखोगे तो this is Q1 is the first row, Q2 is the second row, this is same. But once again, insertion will take constant time, size complexity increases, and it is not always feasible. If अब किसी की priority 8 आ गई तो you will have to create a new. That is not a very good method. So it is not used when you are having varying priorities and varying elements of different priorities. अगर almost similar number of elements हैं for every priority, then this method is used. This certainly takes less time for insertion also. So this is the multiple queue implementation for a priority queue. Other than that, we have a heap implementation. What is a heap? You all recall, it can be a minimum heap or a maximum heap. Simply, जब भी हमें प्रायोरिटी रखनी है, मैक्सिमम प्रायोरिटी का एलिमेंट यहाँ पे, दिस इज जो भी एलिमेंट है, दिस इज माय प्रायोरिटी 1, दिस इज min heap, priority 2, priority, now this can be 2, 3, whatever, again, then. So the children will have lower priority than the parent in any case. This is very highly used implementation of a priority queue. Why? Because the insertion now will at most take how much time? Log n time. क्योंकि क्यू को हमने heap से implement कर दिया. If you want to revise heap, kindly see the video जिसमें we have done the heap earlier. So if you want to do insertion in the heap according to the priority at the particular level, in that case insertion will take only log n time and deletion will obviously take only a single unit time. So that is why heap representation of the priority queue is very widely used. Is this clear to all of you? Are you all clear with this?